In this tutorial, I'll show you how to justify text in Figma and create cleaner looking paragraphs for your designs. Start by opening your Figma file and selecting the text layer you want to edit. With the text selected, look at the text settings in the right-hand properties panel. You'll see alignment options such as left, center, and right. Currently, Figma does not offer a native justify text option like some word processors. If you need a justified appearance, you'll need to use a workaround. One method is to increase the width of your text box and adjust the text manually so the lines appear more evenly aligned on both sides. You can also experiment with line height, letter spacing, and paragraph width to create a cleaner and more balanced text layout. For longer blocks of text, consider using plugins that provide additional typography controls if you need more advanced formatting options. After making your adjustments, review the paragraph and fine-tune the spacing until you're happy with the result. And that's it! You've learned how to create a justified text appearance in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.